Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is earwax removal vlog number 115. Now, we've gotten some mixed comments, some that request that I make longer videos and some that suggest I make shorter videos. After looking at the statistics on YouTube, it seems that people watch about 2 to 2.5 minutes of these videos. So I'm going to try to put out a couple videos in that time range. Therefore, this patient actually gets split into 2 separate videos. So if you want to see this patient's other ear, take a look at vlog number 116 coming out next week. This patient has a ton of dead skin in their ears. Again, another long-time patient who's been seen and always has a lot of dead skin in their ear. Not really sure what the reasoning for that is. But as we use these alligator forceps, we're actually going in and pulling out large chunks, long ribbons of skin. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and keeps me motivated to put out this content. Okay, now as we look down, we can see that there is some wax down by the eardrum. However, we can at least see the top portion of the eardrum. I'm going to try to use the alligator forceps to grab that chunk of skin. Another nice long ribbon. Let's take a look and see if that was all of it. Clearly not, but that's okay. We're going to come in and see if we can't finish off the job and get this out. Now, as I'm pushing on that, you see how the skin is bending towards the eardrum? That tells me that it's connected down at the base. So I'm going to go in and use a curette to pull on the top of it nice and gently and remove that earwax. You can see it roll out in one large chunk. As I look down, I get a great view of the eardrum. That looks perfect. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Vlog 116 will be this other patient's ear.